Hello and welcome to this week's episode. We're going to take a look at 5 ways to use essential oils at home.
How to use essential oils in the home. The uses of essential oils in the home are endless and can easily be incorporated into everyday living in a variety of different ways. Whether you like to enjoy a relaxing bath, create a beautifully scented natural air freshener, or lavish a rich moisturising oil all over your body, essential oils offer the perfect opportunity to create your own lotions and potions.
1. In the bath. This is probably the easiest and most effective way to implement aromatherapy into your lifestyle and is a perfect place for beginners to start. The relaxing warm waters complement the oil and can provide relief from stress related conditions, tension and anxiety, muscle pain and stiffness, and restlessness.
Keep in mind though, essential oils do not dissolve in water and should therefore be mixed with a carrier oil or a small amount of unperfumed soap or shower gel. To use essential oils in the bath, run a hot bath but not too hot and close all doors and windows to contain the scent. Add appropriate drops of essential oil to 10 ml of carrier oil. Add the blend to the water and use your hand to swirl the water around to disperse the oils. Sit back, soak, and relax.
2. Massage. Massage in its own right offers many fantastic benefits to both our body and mind, but when you throw essential oils into the mix, those benefits are dramatically enhanced. An aromatherapy massage is effective in promoting a good night's sleep, reducing stress and tension in the body, improving circulation, which in turn eliminates toxins from the body at a faster rate, reducing inflammation, soothing dry, itchy, irritated skin, and helping to fight signs of aging.
The essential oil should be blended with the carrier oil, and while some dilutions will contain less or more essential oils, the following dilutions can be used as a guideline. Treatment area. For skincare, face and neck massage, add 4 to 10 drops of essential oil to 15 ml or 1 tablespoon of carrier oil. For a specific area, your hand or elbow, use 4 to 10 drops of essential oil in 15 ml or 1 tablespoon of carrier oil. And for a full body massage, add 10 to 20 drops of essential oil to 30 ml or 2 tablespoons of carrier oil.
3. Compress. A compress is a piece of material, typically a muslin cloth or a soft face cloth, that is soaked in either hot or cold water and applied directly to a specific area of the body. A cold compress is traditionally used to treat localized swelling, joint sprains, headaches, and insect bites. A hot compress is more suitable for muscular aches and pains, earaches, toothaches, and menstrual cramps.
To make a compress, fill a bowl with 200 ml of hot or cold water. Add 5 to 8 drops of the chosen essential oil. Soak the muslin or face cloth in the bowl of water for approximately 60 seconds. Make sure the material is completely saturated. Remove the material, squeeze out any excess water, and apply over the affected area. Hold the compress in place by using either your hand or wrapping a bandage or cling film around it. Leave in place for approximately 2 hours. Remove and repeat as often as necessary.
4. Inhalation. Adding essential oils to a bowl of steaming water is a potent way to treat upper respiratory tract disorders such as colds, flus, sinusitis, or blocked nose. This is not recommended for asthmatics. It is also an effective way to treat oily skin, helping to unclog pores, remove excess sebum from the skin, and brighten the complexion. To make a steam inhalation, fill a large bowl with boiling water, add 4 to 8 drops of your chosen oil. Lean over the bowl with a towel covering your head in such a way that the sides are closed over. This helps to seal the aroma. Do not lean too close as you could burn yourself. Close your eyes and breathe through your nose for 4 to 5 minutes. Take deep, slow breaths.
Vaporizer. Vaporizing or diffusing essential oils involves vaporizing the oils in a variety of devices into the surrounding air. One of the most popular devices is a ceramic vaporizer or burner. At the top of the burner, there is a small bowl for water and essential oils, and at the bottom, there is an area where you place a small candle. The heat from the candle evaporates the water above, creating an aroma that dissipates around the room.
Fresheners can be used to relax and calm, uplift, create mental clarity, strengthen focus and concentration, act as an insect repellent. Other popular methods of vaporizing includes using a plug-in diffuser, using a light bulb ring or a warm radiator. Place 2 drops of essential oil on a cotton pad and place on the radiator. Let us know in the comments the different ways you use essential oils at home. We would love to hear from you.
Thanks for joining us on today's episode. We hope you learned something new. Please like, subscribe, and ding the bell so you don't miss future uploads.